Hey everyone, I am Shraddha Yadav and welcome to my quick vlog on the Indian Constitution. So today we are exploring one of the most powerful rights we have as Indian citizens, that is the right to equality, which comes under Article 14. So now let's understand what it means and why it matters. So firstly, what is Article 14? So Article 14 guarantees that every person is equal before the law and has the equal protection of laws within the territory of India. Whether you're rich or poor, man or woman, from any religion, caste or background, the law treats you the same. Secondly, why is it important? This right is the foundation of justice and fairness. It stops discrimination and ensures that the government doesn't treat anyone unfairly. Some of the real life examples. In the famous case of Menka Gandhi versus the Union of India, the Supreme Court ruled that equality isn't just about treating people the same, but also about ensuring fairness in how laws are applied. It widened the scope of equality to include fairness and reasonableness. Quick fact, did you know Article 14 is often called the soul of the Constitution because it protects every citizen equally regardless of the differences? As a recap, so today we got to know that Article 14 is more than just words. It's the foundation of fairness and equal treatment in India. From schools to offices, courts to communities, it protects you and me equally. So what does equality mean to you in everyday life? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay empowered. Thank you.